All right, so if when I searched for Paris, Texas type beat, uh, these guys are getting ton of views, really easy. And the big guys like Stoic Beats, for example, this guy is making the beats of in their style, Paris, Texas beat style. And if you come down over here, we'll see this guy only has 777 subscribers, but he's getting 8.8k views. That's great. This guy's getting 3k views. This guy's getting 200 views. Only has like 3 subscribers. So that's quite a good number, I'd say. And this guy's getting 137. So there's definitely quite a lot of potential if you just start like a beat channel based on this alternative rock, alternative hip hop style beats. If you're gonna make these type of beats, there definitely is a new potential, and a ton of people are gonna be sort of captivated by this new sound. They probably want to buy this beat as fast as possible. So it's one thing that you can definitely do. And I'm not gonna play these beats right here because again it's gonna get copyrighted. But you guys can go ahead and sort of search Paris, Texas type beat, and search, then start listening some of the beats that these guys have posted. And I think there's gonna be a ton of other people that also sort of making these type of beats. You're gonna go ahead and search for Paris, Texas type beat, and then the YouTube is gonna suggest you some more predictions here. So as you can see, yogic beats. You can use these tags because these are the tags that are related to this tag right here, Paris, Texas type beat. You can put in a pilot kit here and yogic beats, Lucas Quinn, call me if you get lost type beat, odd future. All these things, man. There's a ton of potential in this niche that I think a lot of people are not really sort of capitalizing it. And I honestly think that just sort of looking at the view potential here, if I go back to the Google Trends, as you can see, they're actually getting ton of tractions. Not right now, but they were definitely getting traction back in July. And I searched for Paris, Texas band, and as you can see here, they're kind of getting some tractions here and there. Every now and then, I'm kind of guessing they're actually just releasing new music at that time. So you can definitely go ahead and sort of look up Paris, Texas type beat, start making one of those beats, see where it takes you. And if you're not getting a ton of views, this is one of the ways that you can sort of go ahead and capitalize on the newer artists. And if they actually blow up, your beats are also gonna blow up, because there aren't that many beats of Paris, Texas. So you can go ahead and sort of capitalize on this one, and let me know in the comments what you guys think. Is this a great type beat niche, or there are some other niches that you're working on, and anything else that you want to add on in this video that I haven't covered? You guys go ahead and let me know in the comments. As again, like, share, subscribe, comment. All right, I'll see you next time.